Hey guys, check it out. Now this is a really nice radio. It's Panasonic, UHF, PSB, AM/FM. This is a really cool little guy here, but it's missing the antenna. I can't test it because it's missing the plug. It has batteries in it. I can't test it, and it's worth money, and they want $10, but I don't want to risk it. I'm very close on that. I just don't like being stuck with stuff, and if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. So I'm going to reluctantly pass. All right, off I go. Oof.